for your discontent. He knows changes are permanent. Broad changes. And what do you say about his company is what you say about society. Catch the witness, catch the wit, catch the spirit, catch the spit. The world is love and right for thee. Maybe as his eyes are Exit the warrior, today's done, so he gets high on you, and the energy you trade, he gets right on to the friction of the Exit the warrior. Exit the warrior.